Okay, back to work. Alright, I just did a video about all these crank comparisons, so you can go watch that video if you want. Okay, now we're going to work on a motor. So I got the 46 and I got the 47 to work on. So I'm going to do some balancing. The 46 balance I'm going to leave alone because it's okay. It's basically around 58%, I think, roughly where the percentage is, so we'll leave it. Now these ones over here, the Taiwan teddy wheels, they're balanced off quite a bit. So they're heavy. So they're going to be up there about 63% probably balance factor at least, maybe a little higher. So I'm going to lower it down. So I'm going to use my light weight here, which is my lower RPM weight I use. So this one here is a, whatever, you have to read it. It says in there somewhere. I don't think it was that 12 number, is it? Shouldn't be. It's scraped up, I can't even read it anymore. It's real slow shovel. Yeah, maybe just 1201. Probably is 1201, that's why it's written on it. So that's my lower RPM balance factor for tearing applications. You know, slow guys. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and fix the problem with these flywheels. So we're going to do the big heavy one here first. So first one's over here. So we get our balancing shaft. Just the right taper. Rotate the shaft so it's straight. Tighten it down so it's good to go. Alright, now we're going to press the weight into it. Put a little bit of press on the press over here to put a weight on there. It's just a loose taper, so we just want something to hold it in so it doesn't fall out while I'm trying to balance it. She's in there. It's getting heavy now. Okay, now we got to figure out what the balance is going to be. So that's going to have to work out what it wants to do. Okay, what size holes were they using in here? Yeah, it looks like about 1/2 inch holes. Big ass ones. You gotta use like a 7/16 drill bit. Let's see anything floating around here right now that I was using. Since I moved, I haven't done anything yet, so I gotta find my old tools. And that is definitely not sharp. That has a big burr on that thing. Look at the size of that chunk on that thing. Who got a hold of that thing? They destroyed that drill. Something hard. Okay. Just got a bunch of extra drills laying around somewhere. Oh well. I'll use these. 1/2 inch. Index. 7/16 for this one. That's a good one. Let's see how close it was to what they used. Looks like they went to 1/2 inch on these things too. So I don't like being real big. See, it gets real thin. Looks like they used a big one too. Yeah, I can't remember what size I used. 7/16s or slightly bigger. Probably was slightly bigger, but not much. It wasn't no 1/2 inch, I know that. I'm thinking this nice rusty one here is the one to use. It looks like the right color. It's got the right amount of dullness right here. Perfect. Just what we need. It's already broken in. It's a lot smaller than what they were using. Okay, so this one appears to be heavy down there. So the weight's in the wrong spot. Turn it 90 degrees, you see how far the air is. Not much, a little bit. So it's not going to take much to make it work. Where's all their holes at? Their holes are on the bottom down there already. So I think I'm going to put a hole right here and a hole right here. That might be too far. Let's see. I like getting the weight top and bottom. I square up the flywheel, then I take out my weights. So yeah, see, center is one side of the, one's going to be here, one's going to be there is what's going to happen. So, whoop, too close. It's just about dead center right on the crack. Can't drill right there. Okay, so I got an idea what we're going to do. Excuse me. Now it's just a matter of doing it. So the problem with this is filming it. It's not easy like it used to be. We are way different locations in the shop to do each thing. So drilling is going to be done right here on that drill press. Then we got to figure out where we're going to put the truing stand. So if I put it on the milling machine over there, you might be able to see both things. The problem is that stand doesn't fit on the milling machine very well. It might fall off, which would be a bad thing to be showing, wouldn't it? That would not be, well, that'd be good video, but not to do. This thing's heavy. Trip on stuff. Alright, yeah, it's kind of. It overhangs both sides equally, so be careful. Okay, so here's the flywheel. I'm going to do my drill bit though. We lost the drill bit. Alright, you can see me now. Oh boy. Can't see the other part very well now. We'll put this thing in low gear. That's too low. We'll go with second gear. I don't like second gear either. Go back to third. That looks good. I like that speed. See, thick flywheel, got a room for flywheel. So I'm not sure what you're really going to see with me over here, but let's figure it out. Alright. That was heavy. Right here in the center. So we can go ahead and put a hole right here and a hole down there. That drill's soft. That is not good cast iron. Very, very soft. Not very good quality. Alright, let's see what we got. Hope you can see. Oh, can you see over there? I don't know. It's hard to see. Alright, where's my thing at? There it is. The handle on this broke off, so it's hard to get to. Cheap plastic. See, this is dangerous. Falling off the table. Don't push sideways very much. You got a little oil coming off there too. Alright, so this used to be at the very bottom, remember? Now it is bringing it around more centered than what it was. We need to put more out. As you bring it out around, it's going to come over to here. So you can see how deep I went, about 5/16 or so maybe. So we went about halfway where we want to be. So if I go another 5/16 deep, it should center it up pretty good this way. Once we get it centered, then we don't drill more in that hole because it'll be done. I do have to chamfer that hole though. Then after you do that, if it's heavy like this, you put a couple holes down here. If it's heavy on this side, you put a hole over here, or you use the holes that are already in there. So you already got 2 holes right there. So you would come on this side and drill these 2. What you don't want to do is drill holes this way and that way and hit the other holes. I do not like having drills go all the way through a flywheel. That weakens them. It's stupid. So for now, we're going to drill that one deeper. And chamfer the hole. So to chamfer the hole, we're going to use this rotary burr. Works really good for chamfering holes. It leaves the least amount of burrs than a chamfer would. A chamfer tool leaves more of a burr than that thing does. Alright. Get your exercise carrying these around too. Do it about 50 times. It gets you some exercise for the day. Don't have to go to the gym. Okay, this doesn't like being high speed. It's in a chatter high speed. It's alright. That is soft, way softer than Harley flywheels. Way softer. That tells me the quality is not very good. It will not stay straight and true because those tapers will walk all over the place. No strength. I think that recommendation list is dropping hard. Alright. Up things up again. Yeah, that's good enough. I'm going to blow it out. I didn't quite go that deep. Close enough for now. This urinal was close. Alright, what do we got? Just figuring out what it wants to do. Well, it's over there thinking what it wants to do. We can come over and grab the camera. So this is going to be hard to film because I'm going back and forth, back and forth. It looks like we went too much. Now this makes vibration, lets things kind of center. So he doesn't want to be on this side. He doesn't want to be on that side. It's definitely too much, but it's really, really close. But yeah, there's a high spot on there too. You can see how it jumps over the hump. It jumps over the hump on you there, see? So it is what it is. Okay, so we cut too much. So now you turn it 90 degrees and see how much more you got to take off. See how close we are, and there's like nothing. But it's going that way, so it's heavier. You're going this way, you cut on this side. So we're going to cut something over there. We're a little bit high there, so I'm going to put a hole. I'm going to put a little nick right there. Just a little small little kiss right there. And that'll bring it back over the center a little bit. Okay, I'll probably have to do a double kiss. But kiss one hole and double kiss the second hole, the new hole. Let's see here. Yeah, back in there. They're fighting me over here. All right. So. This over here. Over here. That's it. Okay. Hope the camera wasn't too high to see the drilling, but we'll show you. Okay, it's not moving. Alright, so I put a little divot right there. And I barely kissed it right there. So, if it doesn't move anywhere, we're good. So pretty much doesn't do anything, so it's pretty even. See how little I tapped that? Will it go around the circle? Nope. No, I gotta hit it harder now. You gotta get a little speed up on it. Gotta overcome the drag. I got what it wants. Didn't want anything. I keep hitting the stuff down here on the pile on the floor. Alright. So it either likes being in that spot or it just runs out of power there to move. So we'll go over 90 degrees and see what happens. Stuck in a low spot. You see how it went and stopped. Yeah, see it's... Alright, so it's free to do whatever it wants. Alright, so that one's balanced. See, it doesn't matter how heavy it is. It's where the balance factor is. That's the difference. So, that's how you do that. Okay, now I got to swap this out and do the other flywheel. That'd be that one over there. That was the one that's way off. This one's the one that's closer. Alright, we'll be back.